You're staring down a deadline for customer feedback or product validation, and the survey is blank because nobody has the bandwidth to actually brainstorm decent questions. And that stall kills momentum. Decisions sit, assumptions fester. Money gets wasted on untested ideas. The fix? AI that drafts the whole thing in seconds from a one-sentence description. Hi, I'm Elias, and at ProProfs Performance Academy, we've helped thousands of teams create 50,000 plus surveys that not only gather data, but also capture attention. In this video, I'll show you how I use AI to create surveys in minutes, with questions that actually make sense and feel natural. And stay until the end, because I'll share a few creative tricks to make your surveys even more engaging. I open my AI survey maker and type something like customer onboarding feedback for SaaS. Focus on friction, value perception, objections, include NPS and open comments. Dead simple. And within seconds, it generates a full survey. You get rating scales where they actually make sense, open text questions where you need real detail, and so many other options. The questions are neutral. There's no weird bias or leading language, and the flow actually feels logical, like a real survey someone thought through. And it's not just making stuff up. It pulls from a huge library of proven patterns, so it's structured and consistent. Plus, it works in 70 plus languages, so if your users are global, it just handles that automatically. Then I do a quick scan here. I'll tweak a phrase or two to sound like us, maybe reorder a question here or there, and if I want, I can add some branching, like if someone gives a low score, it follows up properly. The best part is that it's all done in like 5 minutes. Now that the questions are good, polishing and launching is just as fast. Here I add the logo, I match the brand colors, and instantly it looks professional without me touching any design tools, right? Then I preview it on mobile because that's where most answers are coming from anyway, and I want to be certain. And when it's ready, I send it out however it fits. Embed it on the site, trigger a pop-up after a key question, email the link, drop a QR code, anything that makes sense for you. And in less than a minute, I've got a complete survey, clean, engaging, and ready to go live. Now, all of this isn't magic or anything. It's leverage. Your product team iterates weekly instead of monthly. Marketing can test messaging fast without guessing. And you don't need senior people burning hours rewriting questions and wasting time. That's the real win. Faster feedback loops leading to better decisions and less waste. If you think this could help someone on your team, share this video. They'll thank you for saving them from the survey writer's block. And that's it. Now, no more blank page panic. Now, let me give you the bonus part I promised. The tool I used was ProProfs Survey Maker, an online survey tool that is delightfully easy. The platform offers an AI survey builder that drafts your questions in seconds. Everything is clean, everything is precise, everything is organized. You also get beautiful templates for every purpose. And you get dedicated support for you to get the hang of the dashboard quickly, and if you have any questions, we're always open. Now, tell me in the comments, if you could make AI write any type of survey for you right now, what would it be? I'll feature the most creative ones in the next video. And if this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to listen better, learn faster, and lead smarter. See you in the next one.